11s. In this video, we are going to be multiplying by monomials. So a monomial is a polynomial that has one term. So it is something that has an x in it that has one term. So we're going to be multiplying brackets by one term out front. Now, we actually did some distribution yesterday when we were reviewing. So today, the only difference between what we did yesterday and what we did today is that we now have x's along with the number that's out front. So yesterday, we did things like just 3 times 5x minus 4. Today, we're going to do 3x times 5x minus 4. So when I multiply, I want to do some distribution. We are going to take the 3x and multiply it by 5x and negative 4, just like we did yesterday. The only difference is it has an extra x. So if I go to multiply this, 3 times 5 is 15. And then x times x, I have two x's being multiplied by each other. Anytime you multiply something by itself, we can write that as a square. So x times x, we're multiplying x by itself, so I can write that as x squared. Okay, then we're going to do 3x times negative 4. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Now, I'm going to have an x here, but this doesn't have an x. So it's just one x. That's all we get. So 12x. So when I expanded, which means multiply, I got 15x squared and then minus 12x. Now, are these like terms? No, they are not. This has a square. This one does not, meaning I cannot collect my like terms, and that is my final answer. We need to do another one. So our next one, I have negative 10x times 9 minus 2x. So we are going to take what's out front, the 10x, we are going to multiply it by 9 and negative 2x. So let's start with negative 10 times 9. So negative 10 times 9 is negative 90. This equals negative 90. This has an x, this does not, so it's just negative 90x. And then I do negative 10x times negative 2x. So we're going to do negative 10 times negative 2, which is positive 20. So I put plus 20, and we're doing x times x. So we just multiplied x by itself, so that is x squared. Now, you could leave it as negative 90x plus 20x squared, but normally we try to put the highest exponent first. So this would be 20x squared, and then minus 90x. So I wanted to keep this one positive, and then that one has a negative, so I need to put a minus sign in front. All right, we've got one more to do in this part. So I have negative x times 12x, and then plus 5. So we are going to multiply 12x and 5 by negative x. Now there is a number in front of that x. There is a secret 1. It is a negative 1x, which might help us when we go to multiply. So I am going to do negative 1 times 12, which is negative 12. And then x times x is x squared. We multiplied it by itself. Okay, then I'm going to do negative 1 times 5, which is negative 5. And then this had an x, this did not, so it's just going to have x. So it's going to be negative 12x squared, take away 5. Okay. I think I'm going to stop the video here, and then we'll do the next part. We'll try the application questions. All right, so I'll see you in a minute.